Mr. Speaker, answer to start question 53. Yes, sir. One, the government has given relief assistance to Shrimti Midaris Day amounting to 1,30,000 rupees as per STRF norm. Number two, no relief assistance has been given to Shrimti Riburam Karni. However, an amount of 1,30,000 has been provided as relief to the owner of the house, Shrimati Helmi Karni.
No supplementary question.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I also thank the Minister in charge of Revenue and Digital Management for the reply. So I just want to know from the Honorable Minister, when has the government given the relief assistance to these two families?
The amount was released on the 18th February 2025 for both, sir.
Thank you, sir. I may know from the Honorable Minister, how many house fire incidents and other natural calamities have occurred in the last 2 years in the East Khasi Hills district?
East Khasi Hills, sir, I have here the number for 2023-24, 31 with amount of 47,25,000 and 24-25, 29 with the amount of 29,19,900, sir.
Minister, I think the Minister didn't understand the question. I just want to know how many house fire incidents or other natural calamities have occurred in the last 2 years, just numbers of the incidents.
Yes, sir, as I've mentioned, 31 for 2023-24 and 24-25, 29, sir.
Okay. Has the government given the relief assistance to those affected families?
Yes, sir. It's been released.
One more question, sir. Will the government consider providing additional fund or emergency fund to the MLAs? Because when such incident of natural calamities is taking place, we are the first one to be approached with the affected families.
Sir, we from the department, we release the fund as per the SDRF norms, sir, so we cannot go beyond that. If the government would like to extend the support, and we do have the MLAs fund, so as RWP, so that up to the wisdom of the MLAs, they can do as per the.
No, I just request the Honorable Chief Minister to please reply this.
Sir, I think the Honorable Minister has already replied very clearly and categorically that the SDRF norms are very clear, and based on the SDRF norms, most of the areas and concerns are addressed, and whatever funds are available in that is given. On a case-to-case basis, sir, as mentioned by Honorable Minister, the concerned MLA also can give from the SRWP scheme or from the DG, the discretionary grant that is given. And on a case-to-case basis, wherever it is there, so we do intervene in whatever way possible, sir. But there is no specific guideline that says that additional amount will be given. It is all on the basis of SDRF norms, sir.
Okay, now we move. Sorry. Yes, please.
Sir, may I know from the Minister in charge, the total number of affected family was still waiting for the payment for the years of 2022-23.
22-23 for East Khasi Hills, sir?
Yes.
East Khasi Hills has been sanctioned, sir. It's already released to the beneficiaries, all the households.
Thank you very much, Mr. May I know from the minister in charge, how many affected house has been given money to the affected families in my constituency, Mukunro, Sianadi block?
I don't have the detail with me, sir, regarding with the different block wise, but I have district wise, so I require notice.